we're waiting to get into the Crinan Canal. On the other side, something fascinating is happening. Lumber being transported, I believe, to Holland. Ingenuity of the machines. Oh, come on. I want to see action here. This is quite impressive. It's our first entrance in the canal. We have Stas and Jazz on top. There's a catamaran coming. We're working the lines. And this boat just came in. And there's the water coming into the canal. Pretty dramatic. It's like being in a waterfall. With Jasmine, our bow camera, and yeah, pretty scary a little bit, but we're well set up. There's Stas attentively waiting the line. There's the captain. We had to send ourselves against the other boat, and then there's the catamaran coming right behind us. I heard that we're going to become really good friends by the end of this trip because the three of us. And now the gates are closing behind the catamaran. And the gates are closing behind the catamaran. Pretty exciting. That young man is really excited about all this. Wait for the camera. And I guess we're going to start going up. The lock is going to fill up. And we're moving. Jasmine, the bow line lady.
It's me.
It's her. And we are going down the canal. A little bit of view of the back of the canal. We're debating if these beautiful flowers are wild flowers or if they are planted, or if they're just part of this. I mean, this beautiful colors. There's the bay dried up in the back. We're gonna go around the Lochlipad town. Lochlipad. Yeah, I think Stas, we're gonna blast the horn. It's a blind turn here. There's Stas sitting on the bowsprit actually, and just making sure there's nobody. Another blind turn. We're probably going to sound the horn again, but it seems like that's just us. Today is Wednesday, August 9th. We're going to continue with our going through the locks. We are on lock number 8 or 9, Crinan Bridge. There's Petronella way down there on the other lock. And here is what we're going to start our adventure today. They're going to open this bridge and we're going to go. There's a lock that's filling up. But it's very peaceful. We spend the night here. Very peaceful, very nice nature. So here we are. That was lock 6, 7. That ahead is lock 8. Lock 8. Very calm day today. It's gray. So the reflection on the water, it's very nice. It's almost a mirror. And then we have the little houses on the canal, the level of the canal, it's there. And this is one of the gates that opens, that's level number 6. Minimum 2 people required to operate this gate. One goes on one side, the other one goes on the other one. And here is the water between lock number 6 and number 7, and I don't know if you can see that the water drops down and it keeps dropping. And way ahead there's a bridge, and after that bridge there is Petronella waiting for today's adventure. There's Petronella in front of lock number 5, waiting to. That's a beautiful boat, by the way. It's for sale. 1904 wooden boat. Means a lot of trouble. And this is lock number 7. And there's Stas and Jazz opening the lock doors with us. And on the other side, there's another 3 people doing their morning exercise. And the lock is opening, and we equalized. And there they go. Smile for the camera. So here I am seeing John taking the slack, Elena supervising everything, Petronella along with another nice boat tucked in between two locks in the Crinan Canal. And behind you can see wonderful, beautiful Scotland. There we go. Lock number 8 of the Crinan Canal. And there is Petronella arriving along with Stas, who's ready to take the line. There we go. Elena's about to hand over the stern line. And then she will hand me over the bow line. There you go. Coming for me. Some action. The last boat coming in. Pretty tight squeeze. Fenders are a must because this is pretty tight. But anyway, so what's ahead of us? Look at that. Fantastic. So now we're going down pretty fast. Stas is opening the gates so the water flows on the other side. And we're basically managing the next 5 locks by ourselves because the lock keepers went for lunch. So the other crew on the other side, the boat is having lunch as well. So that's how relaxed it all is, really. They're going down pretty fast. So now we have to open this gate and then go to the other one and do it another 3 times, I guess. We are out of the almost last canal. There are now 13 canal lock 13. And we are on our way to lock 14, the last lock. And the landscape changed dramatically. We left all those mountains and forests behind. And we have cows and sheep and plains. And there's our Stas and Jazz relieved. It was hard. That we have only one more, but the last lock is not working, so we will have to find a dock and wait till that last lock gets working. It could be tomorrow, it could be later today, we don't really know. Boathouse. Oh, there you go. Oh, I see another mast before them. Oh, and see, they have fenders. I don't know. I think that's a different boat. I think that's a different one. Okay. So we're coming to a bridge again, right? I think that's a bridge that we're coming to.
Yeah.
The bridge is open, the bridge operator is there. So he's basically waiting for us.
Oh, that's the bridge.
Yeah.
Yep. It got retracted, so we can go through. At least it looks like we can go through. Crinan, half a mile.
Let's go.
Oh no, this bridge is on the other side. It's a swinging bridge.
Tight here.
Oh yeah, with the other boat in there, that's really tight. No wonder he has a big fender there. Oh, that's our friends.
We must stop meeting like this.
Bon voyage. It seems like the lock is open. Yeah. We're going out.
Oh, that's ridiculous. You told us we couldn't.
What? What, John? What, Stas?
Oh, what's
Yeah, let's wait for the surprise. What do you think is gonna happen? What is a mood craft? Yeah. I think that's what it is.
This is lock.
And there's this lock, and the lock is opened.
Yeah, lock is open.
Where's the boat?
Already in. But for
We are in the Crinan Bay. Ah, really nice, foggy evening. Really quiet, really nice. And tomorrow we're leaving at 8 o'clock in the morning. And we are going somewhere. I don't know where we're going. But I'm just making a video. Oh my gosh, that's an amazing picture.